more than 20 million units sold over 50 years. The Volkswagen Polo is one of the most important cars in European automotive history. And now, for the very first time, it goes fully electric. No combustion engine option, no hybrid. Just a clean-sheet battery electric compact, built from the ground up to prove that affordable EVs don't have to mean compromise. This is the all-new Volkswagen ID Polo, and it might be the most important electric car Volkswagen has ever launched. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. The ID Polo officially premiered on April 29, 2026, with pre-orders already open in Germany. This is the production version of the ID2 All concept Volkswagen teased back in 2023, and it carries more pressure than any VW in recent memory. Can it challenge the Renault 5, the Peugeot E208, and the wave of affordable Chinese EVs now pushing into Europe? Let's find out. Start with the design. Chief designer Andreas Mint calls it pure positive, stable proportions, likable character, and a secret sauce. In practice, a short-sloped bonnet, sleek headlights that echo the ID.7, an illuminated VW logo front and rear on higher trims, and 3D LED taillights on the style grade. At 4,053mm long, it's nearly identical in footprint to the petrol Polo, but the flat MEB Plus battery pack and compact front motor free up serious interior space. The cabin is where Volkswagen makes its most important statement. Physical buttons are back, proper climate controls below the screen, a rotary audio dial between the seats, real steering wheel inputs, a 13-inch touchscreen and 10.25-inch digital cockpit align along a single line of sight, and the dashboard is fully wrapped in fabric-covered soft surfaces. No hard plastics anywhere. It genuinely feels like a segment above. And there's a charming detail, a retro display mode that transforms the cluster into the look of a first-generation Golf, complete with an analog speedometer graphic. Volkswagen knows its history and leans into it smartly. Optional upgrades include a panoramic roof, 12-way massaging front seats, a 425-watt Harman Kardon system with trunk subwoofer, and ambient lighting throughout. In a compact city car under 25,000 euros. Remarkable. 3 powertrains at launch. The 85 kilowatt and 99 kilowatt versions run a 37 kilowatt-hour LFP battery, up to 329 kilometers WLTP, 90 kilowatt DC charging, 10 to 80 in 27 minutes. Step to the 155 kilowatt variant, and the NMC 52 kilowatt-hour battery delivers 454 kilometers WLTP, 282 miles, with up to 105 kilowatt DC charging in around 24 minutes. All 3 use the new APP 290 motor with 290 Nm of torque. Vehicle to load at 3.6 kilowatt is standard across the range, and Volkswagen first for this segment. And coming in 2027, the ID Polo GTI, 166 kilowatts, 226 horsepower, an electronically controlled front axle differential lock, vehicle dynamics manager, and a performance-tuned chassis. The ID Polo starts from 24,995 euros in Germany, neck and neck with the Renault 5 at 24,990 euros. But on range, interior quality, cargo space, and V2L capability as standard, it makes a compelling case for being the more complete package. 20 million Polos in 50 years. The next chapter starts now. Is the ID Polo the affordable electric car Europe has been waiting for? Drop your take in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.